Hello Lumsy team, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lumsy. I'm back again with another video, guys. Today's sewing tutorial is how to make asymmetric bustier dress pattern. As you can see, this has a yoke. It has a mesh yoke. This asymmetric illusion neckline is a requested, in fact is a highly requested video, and I'm going to show you people some sewing tips and tricks to sew a deep V neckline, asymmetric deep V neckline like this. So if that's what you're looking for, consider watching till the end so you don't miss any of these sewing tutorials and the sewing tips and tricks. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Drop comments and like my video. I appreciate you guys. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and let's go into the video. Before we get started, I would like you to know that this is a miniature mannequin I'm working with. So for me, it's going to be a little bit difficult, because it's small. But for you, it's going to be a very easy thing to do. So watch till the end so you understand the tricks in making this deep V neckline without altering the shape of the V neckline. Let's get into the video. So guys, this is the pattern I'll be working with. This bustier dress pattern, I made it in the last video and I'm going to be dropping it in the description section. If you don't know how to draft asymmetric bustier pattern, I'm going to be dropping that. So that's what we're going to use today to make this sewing tutorial. So as you can see, this is my yoke, the illusion neckline, and that's the asymmetric outline of the dress we are working with. So we're going to be sewing this today. And guys, if you want to see and watch and learn all the sewing tips and tricks on making asymmetric or deep V neckline, watch till the end and you will understand all the sewing tutorials. This is a miniature, but I'm going to try my best to make sure it's clear and it's visible for you to see. So first sewing tips you need to note about sewing asymmetric neckline dresses that has linings. You have to make sure you use the same fabric that you have used for the main fabric as your lining. That way, when you're done joining it, you will now decide which way the right would be or the left would be. So you don't run into any problems with if you want the neckline to be on the left or on the right. Now, with that said, we're going to go straight and start sewing this. Yeah, I don't know if you have noticed this, but if you're sewing this without doing these sewing tips I'm going to show you, this will always be shorter than this. So before you go to your machine, we are going to notch some places so that it will be very easy for us to couple this. So the first place you will notch is this place. This has, is it a concave or a converse shape? I don't know, whichever. Correct me in the comment section. So you're going to go ahead and notch this place. My scissors. And again, the difficult area which everyone is running from is this place. So we are going to also notch this and get to the tip of the V, of the plunging neckline or the V, deep V neck. So we're going to go in here. So you have it like that. So I'm going to go to my machine. Now for the yoke, I have, if you want to double this, mine is not doubled. I didn't double it. But I have a video, one of the corsets I made that I doubled it and I showed all the sewing tips and tricks to sew mesh illusion neckline to a dress. I'm going to also drop that in the description section so you know how to do that. But today, I'm just going to use a single mesh because my mesh is actually thick. So I'm going to go to my machine now and join all this. So I'll go to my machine now, join this like this, and I will also join this that way. But as I'm joining it, when I get to this place, I will start pulling this like this. I'll start pulling it like this, pulling it like this, until I have this. So I'm going to go to my machine now and do this. So let's go to the machine. So I have sewn the main fabric and the lining piece, and this is the two of them. Now is to join the illusion neckline, the mesh illusion neckline. So first I'm going to place it like this to understand which side that I'm working with. And next is to make sure you sew till this place and you turn it this way. It's going to be difficult for me as a miniature. I'm using a miniature, but for you it will be easy for you to sew. So make sure you do it the way I'm doing it. I'm just showing you what I'm going to be doing in case it's difficult for you to see it.